Hello, how are you? I'm good. Now, this video is one of those videos that nobody wants to talk about because it's quite personal. It's something that most traders don't want to share because most people will come for you on YouTube telling you that you can't trade or you should quit, but never do that. I'm still on the same funded account, phase one. It's about 6 months now. And I think I know why. If you watch my previous video, you would see for about a couple of months, I have been down and out, going through things that most people, I wouldn't even wish it for my enemy to go through what I've been through. It's a lot. And I have been pushing myself to get to a certain point with this account, but I just couldn't. Stuck on phase one, took a trade, losing after losing, but I still haven't blown the account, which most people would have blown the account at this point, because you get to a point of frustration because you feel blocked. Taking your problems to your trades, taking your problems to your account, and then all that means that you could just blow your account. It's something that's not easy to share because I know I might get maybe backlash or something, but I don't really care. I don't really care. If it's meant to help somebody out there, that's great. If you're going through what I'm going through, where you feel like you are stuck with a certain account, maybe you've been trading the account for 3 months or even more, it's okay. The people that speak too much, they are literally blowing accounts first day of trading the account because they're so excited. I'm going to risk 4%. No. So for me, that's just what it is. I've been trading the account, but mostly I trade the account on wrong reasons. With wrong reasons of I just want to get it done and just focus on maybe my live account, because with live I do well, but for some reason now, since the prop firm scandal drama, I have not been doing quite well because I always feel like they will just disappear since, as I said, since the funded trader disappeared with our payouts. So it has been a roller coaster ride, but I'm doing great. I'm doing my best to just get back on track with this account and just not give up. But sometimes, man, I just get so over the account in the point of I just want to just risk it all and just get over it. If a trade comes through and I make it or not, that's fine. If it's gone, it's gone. Then I'll lose 500 euros, which is that bad investment. But sometimes it's just how I feel. You get through a lot and you go through a lot with your mental space when you're trading these funding accounts. It just gets too much. But the account is nowhere close to any profit. It's now sitting on $98,067.73. I don't know. And yeah, we still have the account, still push the account. Maybe I'll do a whole series trying to push the account up. I don't know, because it's also something quite personal to me, and I don't want people to be asking me, how is the account now? Post this now, post that now. No, I just want to go in my flow, go with my pace. And if I trade the account until December, so be it. It's my account. It was my money. I bought it, But this is what traders go through, guys. I know it's not only me that go through this. You get to a point where you just don't want to even trade. 3 years plus in the business, but I do feel like there's sometimes like, I don't know if I want to do this, man. I don't know if I want to even trade the funding accounts. I just want to focus because I do so well with the lives and all that. So yeah, let's just get on the dashboard so that you see for yourself. Immediately 1% loss, 96967. Then we won on a sell, we won. This was like the biggest trade of the account on 3rd of April. Just so you know, you can see that the gap in between the trades, to just show you that I don't trade every day. I don't trade every week because I have so much to do. I have so much going on, to a point where sometimes I can just not trade for 2 months, So sometimes I even wonder myself if I should keep on trading this account, or I should just really go full in 2% and just go big or go home. Because honestly, I don't know. I feel like sometimes I'm just in confusion with this account, because I can't really seem to get these profits that I used to get when I started the account. But then I remember, might be the things that I've been going through. So, but again, you don't trade when you have problems, because you bring the problems to your account, or you bring the problems to your charts, and you start to seeing things that are not even there. And maybe that's what happened, because after we had this big trade in April, and then we had a sell, I think this was a break-even trade. I let my trades run. I don't even know why I closed this trade. I think from April, it's when I had to look for a place to move out and really just try to get my life sorted. So I think from there, I was just making decisions just based on, because I just needed maybe something quick, or maybe I just wanted to pass the account, go on phase 2, get a payout. And I think when my defender trader closed business, I think it really reflected in FTMO as well, because I was just taking trades. I was like, no way I'm losing the FTMO account, when I was almost 7% with the founder trader, and they just disappeared. So I was just trading, and look at what happened. Loss. 1%, 2%, 1. No, I trade 0.5 and 1%. So I think this is 1%, not 0.4, not 0.5. Loss. Then I was like, okay, take a break. I came back on the 9th of May. 9th of May, big win, boom. But that was not even to cover all the losses. That was like nothing. It was just to cover one trade. So this was like more like a 1:1 when you think about it, because it didn't even cover all these losses. So that's what happened. So we were then 9th of May, then we lost again. I mean, the problems just keep on bouncing back and forward. I've been slept. I literally starting to get up. I get back down again. I'm just like falling all over the place, because I was just going through it, as I said. And then now we back again, going back to, don't worry about the losses. You will still win. It don't matter. And then I win, loss. I mean, you can see it's just been sad story. It has been sad after that. 50. And at this point, I'm just risking 0.5. This here, I placed a trade because I did not want FTMO to close the account, because they have to maintain the account. So they were like, are you still trading this or what? I was like, yes. Placed a 0.5 trade. Yeah, so that does not even count. So I still have to keep up with the account. Sometimes I place trades just because. And then I trade. So this was fantastic. This was like a 10 pip stop on the 9th, and then I did not win the trade, I think. So it was just 35 pips, which is good for me. So all you can see here, I mean, the account we're still breathing, the account is still going. If we lose the account, okay, it does not mean that I would buy another one. I might take time to buy another one, but as you can see, these things, they do happen, guys. And if you feel like you're the only one who goes through this, you're not. I never look into the consistency score, because I think it's nonsense. I don't really believe this is my average win rate. I think I'm actually on 30 to 80. Oh, it could be on 0 to 30. I don't even know, because how are they even calculating this? Because I trade once in a flipping month. So it could be 100%. Yeah, because I don't trade that much, but I don't look into this. I haven't even reached this. Listen, the maximum we've won this trade is 1,000, like 1.9 something, as you can see, 146. Hold on. 146.3. Then we lose, win. It was just, it's just an on and off thing. It's just an on and off thing. Lose, win, lose, win. I'm sure FTMO is just done with me at this point. They just want me to blow this account. They cannot wait. They're tired of maintaining this account. They'll be like, this girl must just blow. But no, when you are here, like, my psychology is on point, but like, I'm just needing time to really get back into the trading space, because I have been even gone on YouTube for 6 months. It's just been just mad for me. I'm a human being. I go through the same problem as you and you and you. So this is what it is. And as you can see, guys, this is, it's not a demo or a trial. It's a real account. As you can see, I haven't reached it. I haven't reached it. Try and try. I just keep on making the same mistake. Like, for instance, this trade right here. This trade right on the 9th. Why did I place the trade? Why did I even place that trade? It was a 10 pip stop, yes, but come on now. There was no need for me to sell because I don't trade on Fridays, but I did. See, then again, it's my problem. It's not anyone's fault, but my fault. So I still keep making the same mistake. And it's funny because I don't face this on the live account. I just don't know, man. Since the funded trader closed down and I didn't get my withdrawals, I just don't know how I feel with prop firms. I just want to get this done and just get my money out and just trade live and move to futures, because I'm not feeling the whole Forex space. It's just too much. But not to be negative to anyone, you can still trade Forex, but I just want to win this and move on. If we lose it, that'll be crazy after I hold it for 6 months, right? But yeah, let's look into this. Like, as you can see here, I do sell a lot. I know that. I want to trade GBP USD, just because I love it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, it is what it is. It's just have been just a roller coaster with this account. It's just been really crazy, and I'm trying my best to get it out. Let's go quickly to the trade that I took yesterday, and I just will show you now what I saw. So for me, I look at the high of the week, mostly trade the 1 hour and 1 weekly in a weekly time frame, 1 weekly. So 1 hour and weekly. So I looked at my previous high. Okay, we're on the previous high. That's great. So we're pushing down, and for here, that's the previous low of the week. Okay, so I'm like, all right, okay. We just took this low of the week, and then I'm like, okay, that means we still want to push down. I don't know. If that's what the market wants to do, that's what the market wants to do. So I'm like, okay, they might push down. So they did. Then they get to this level, right? So I'm like, this is an old candle. It's an old low. We're probably pushing high. But because of DXY is pushing to the upside, I think for next week. So I might as well just give GUSL. Right. Straight to 60 minutes. Got to 60 minutes, did my thing. Look at the chart. High of the week, low of the week. Fantastic. We've pushed to the upside. We've got this trade. This trade I did not take on the funded account, but on my own personal account. As I said, I always just matter my personal. I just and then suddenly I don't know, guys. I just don't know. But for here, we had a push to the upside. And I'm like, okay, we have this 1, 2, 3. So I use this candle, the middle candle, to enter. Okay. So that was a 9% trade. So low of the week, we pushed to the upside. And then I was like, okay, they might come back to the second candle. Okay. Let's move that to the side. They might come back to this candle if they want. If not, okay, that's great too. I don't care, because it's not on my will. It's the markets. Okay. I just trade what I see, close the trade. If it's working, let it flow. If it's going, that's just where I am. And I just wish everyone could get to this point in trading where it's like, it is what it is. You can never change the market. It is manipulated. You don't have that much money to control it. So just trade what you see. And that's where I am now. So low of the week had a wow. low of the week, push to the upside. We did get a buy. Okay, that's fine. I was like, okay. As soon as I saw this candle on the low of the week, I was like, okay, let's get in. So I got in here. The more it pushed to the upside, I was like, oh, great. Oh, yes, we have this point of structure right here. So they might be coming here. I don't know. Maybe they will. Then they did. Boom. I was like, okay, guys, just hold to your 9%. Great. Look at the stop loss, 7.2. I'm not saying you should trade 7.2 stop loss. Stick to your 15 stop loss, 7.2. Or if you want 7.2, if you don't want 10 pips, I don't know. Listen, 7.2, 10 pip stop, it works for me, okay? Because I'm all about that lot size. I love the big lots, get in, get out. We could. So actually, we're right there. So it's 8.6. We got the trade live. It was amazing. Then I'm like, okay, I'm seeing them coming to what now? To this fair value gap. Oh, great. I might come down with them. Coming to where? To this level. Right to the other block. Oh my God, what a fantastic trade. It's going to be great. It's going down. It's going to be fantastic. Go for it. Boom. I went in because why? I saw the fair value gap and then they pushed to the downside. You can call it what you want to call it, but I think it's a fair value gap. They pushed to the downside. Wait, it's going down. What the flip is going on? This thing just rejected the level like no one's business. As soon as I saw that rejection from this imbalance, I said, we're not coming to the downside. Forget about that one, Nolly. Not today. DXY might be pushing up, but somebody's bidding high there by the banks because they don't want to push down. So they push to the upside. And that's it. We lost the trade. 10 pip stop. I was targeting, I usually put it here, but to be honest, it was just going to be a 3% trade. And then if they get there, I was going to move the stop to a previous high, then take it for 6%, which is what I do. But it did not go my way, guys. The thing, it just decided to push to the upside and then we lost. So we lost both on live, which is personal, and on the funded account. Set for funding account because this was the trade I thought it was going to at least put us back to at least 4%, but no, it did not. So yes, that's it. That's what happened. That's the trade.